Hi everyone, look what I have here. I have two filters here. This is from Kase and they are called the Dream, and this is Black Mist. So these two are magnetical filters. That means it's magnetic that you mount onto the camera lens, and I already got the adapter here. This is 67 mm on the RF100 and is 82 mm as the filter size. So let's unbox this and see how they look like. So first let's look at Dream, and this is how the casing looks like inside, and it's very nice plastic case, and this is in smoke black. And let's have a look and see. So this is a 82 mm filter, and this is Dream. So what does Dream does is it gives a very dreamy look to your image. So this is how you put it on. So it just straight easy, just magnetically goes on. So it's beautiful in terms of it's very nicely done, and doesn't matter which angle you rotate because this is not a CPL, and it's very easy to just mount on. So you can see Dream is a bit of hazy look, dreamy look to your image, and we'll leave it there. So this is the Black Mist, which is the same box with the instructions, which I think nobody reads. So, and this is how it looks like, and this is the Black Mist, which actually they come with an existing 82 mm filtering adapter. So it does come with a 82 mm ring adapter. That is the magnetic adapter. You just clip it on and you put it on. So this is the Black Mist. So what difference do you see with this? And you can see it's a bit smoky, darker, right? This one is a bit whiter. This darker, this whiter. So we'll take this out and test it out and then see how it looks like between these two. Hi everyone, Richard here. Currently I'm finally outdoor. It's really hard to get out because of the pandemic, and currently now it's open up, so at least we can go to the park and I can do my reviews and get some sunlight, and away from everyone else, I can take off the mask. So thank goodness for that. And what I have here is the Kase filters. These are actually it's two cases. I just took it out to have a look. Put it into one case to show you. Then we have it's a magnetic filter, 82 mm that I put onto the lens. This is Dream, and then which is like white mist, and this is Black Mist. So let's put on these two and see how it looks like with the background, and whether the filter gives a better look to the image. So most of the time, if you want to make it more cinematic, you actually use filters. Currently I'm using a ND8 onto my lens. If not, I won't be able to shoot f2.8 on this 20 mm EF lens on the R5. So you do need filters if you're shooting video outdoors. Photography, not so much, because you can actually use fast shutter speed and still open up f2.8 or 1.8 if you have a brighter lens. But let's look at this. This is Black Mist, and let's see how it looks like. So I hope it's got my face. It's supposed to reduce a lot of those high contrast area and then give a softer look behind and flatter image. So this is how black mist look like. I want to see whether the focusing is okay. Whether with the filter you still can focus, because normally sometimes you use filter, you lose your focus. Right, so that's how it looks like. It's still in focus, and hopefully this R5 eye and face tracking is doing very well. You do know when you're doing recording, there's tons of external audio that's coming in. Hopefully you're getting it from my mic instead of my voice instead of the external sound. And this is how black mist looks like in that's without. Let's take it out. And it's trying to get focus. So this is without any filter. It's just ND8, ND filter, and without the black mist. Okay, and that's with the black mist again. That's how it looks like. Okay, let's take this off and put on Dream and see how Dream will look like. So this is Dream, this is how it looks like, and then it looks a bit more whiter, a bit misty. It's as though you're in a cold country and you get a lot of mist. So let's see the focusing. Is it doing very well with the filter on? And that's how it looks like. It's direct opposite of black mist. So this is whiter and more dreamier look. And my face, anything beyond the focus is a bit blurred off. And you can see that it's tracking me well, even with the filter. So I do like this actually. If you like the dreamy look, and if you're taking a video of a nice portrait or whatever in maybe an ad, right? Then you want that dreamy look. Instead of doing it in post-production, you can put on this filter. The good thing about magnetic filters is you can just take it out anytime you want and you can snap it back on, right? So that's how it looks like, and this is how it looks like without. So you can see, actually I like this, right? So what happens if you put all three together? I'm not sure. I'm just testing it out. So you have black mist and Dream. It looks, I'm not sure how it looks like, so I can't see it. Is it tracking me? Well, it's still tracking me. It's not bad, but it kind of looks weird, right? Let's take this all out. That's how it looks like. So this is with the Dream filter, and I'm vlogging with that. You can have a look at that. And how do I look like if I'm walking? Does that work? So, and it looks, wow, it looks really dreamy behind there. Hopefully you're not getting too much shake from this. And it does look very dreamy. And together with the ND filter, you can really put it down to the brightest aperture in your lens. This is the f2.8, and then that's how it looks like. This is purely IBIS, no IS from the lens or digital stabilization. That's how it looks like, and that's that. So I'll switch over to black mist. Okay, now I'm recording with the black mist. You can see it's different from Dream. The colors are darker, not so white as like Dream, and you can see that. But the background is still soft. The lights are diffuse. So basically, you can say that anything you use the black mist or even the Dream, you can see the background is diffuse. Very much softer if you really like those kind of look. If you want it to look more cinematic, so you probably need to use filters. If not, it's too sharp and too harsh if you just use without filters. And with the new cameras, it's really you don't want too much pores showing in your videos or even photos. So this is how it looks like with the vlogging test if you use the filter. This is black mist, and just now was the dream. Right, there you have it. It's a quick hands-on on the black mist and dream from Kase. So these filters are magnetic filters that you just snap on with the adapter ring on your lens, and they do help with the video. And if you like this video, okay, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe for my next video, and so I can showcase more products for you guys. And have a nice day, stay safe, see you.